With gas prices on the rise, driving a hybrid already gives you an advantage. These vehicles are known for great fuel economy, but the real goal is how to push that efficiency even further. Every mile and every gallon counts. In this video, we'll focus on how to get better gas mileage out of your Toyota Hybrid, not just by relying on its efficiency, but by maximizing it through proper technique and awareness. Before getting into the practical side, there's one key concept to understand. Hybrids are essentially mild electric vehicles, constantly balancing between electric power and the gasoline engine. The electric side works for short periods, while the engine recharges the battery and keeps the system going. To improve fuel economy, the goal is to maximize that short EV driving window and reduce how often the engine runs. Most owners know the EV mode button, but it's often unavailable due to speed, battery level, or system limits. The system only allows EV mode briefly, making it difficult to rely on directly. That's why the main strategy is simple. Use electric driving as much as possible and keep engine runtime to a minimum. Everything that follows builds on this idea. Before applying any of these techniques, one key factor must be understood: engine temperature. When the engine is cold, the hybrid system keeps it running continuously to warm it up quickly. During this phase, fuel consumption is higher, and electric driving is very limited. Because of this, trying to maximize fuel economy while the engine is still cold is largely ineffective, especially in colder weather where heat is lost quickly and the engine runs even longer. High cabin heat demand also keeps the engine on, making it harder to reduce fuel use. Most efficiency techniques only become effective once the engine reaches proper operating temperature. Once the engine is warm, attention shifts to how the vehicle is driven, especially from a stop. In regular gasoline cars, the most fuel is used during initial acceleration, and many drivers tend to accelerate too aggressively. In a Toyota Hybrid, the ideal start is different. The most efficient takeoff begins with the engine off, using electric power. Acceleration should be smooth and gradual, building speed gently. As the vehicle reaches around 25 to 30 miles per hour, the engine will engage. At that point, the goal is to continue accelerating smoothly, not aggressively. Avoiding hard takeoffs is essential. Smooth, controlled driving not only improves fuel economy, but also allows the hybrid system to operate at its best. This sets the foundation for reducing engine runtime and achieving better gas mileage. Once the engine is fully warmed up, the most important habit is learning how to use coasting effectively. In a Toyota Hybrid, releasing the accelerator under normal conditions shuts the engine off. This is a major advantage, and the more time you spend coasting with the engine off, the less fuel you use. This requires a shift in driving style. Instead of constantly pressing the accelerator, the goal is to keep the car moving with minimal engine use, making coasting a large part of your driving. A key technique for this is pulse and glide. When done properly, it reduces engine runtime and improves fuel economy. After a gentle takeoff, once you reach about 25 to 30 miles per hour and the engine comes on, use moderate throttle to get up to your desired speed. As soon as you reach that speed, release the accelerator and let the car coast. The engine shuts off and the car continues on momentum. As speed drops, repeat the process. Each time the engine comes on, use it to return to speed, then go back to coasting. Over time, this creates a rhythm that reduces engine use. There is concern this could harm the engine, but there is no evidence of that when done smoothly. The key is to avoid aggressive inputs and keep acceleration controlled. With practice, this becomes natural and improves fuel economy, especially in city driving. At highway speeds, it's harder to maintain, which is why hybrids are generally more efficient in the city. Mastering this balance between acceleration and coasting is essential for getting the best gas mileage out of a Toyota Hybrid. To make this technique more effective, focus on how the hybrid battery is used while driving. Instead of watching fuel economy numbers, pay attention to the battery display. In normal driving, the battery should stay near the top, about 1 or 2 bars below full. Keeping it here shows the system is operating efficiently. At higher speeds, especially on highways, the engine runs more to maintain momentum, and the battery drains faster. This is why city driving offers the best opportunity to maximize efficiency. Braking also plays a big role. Toyota hybrids use regenerative braking to convert momentum into battery charge, but it must be used correctly. Light regeneration occurs during coasting, but the biggest gains come when approaching a stop. Rather than accelerating to a stop and braking hard, release the accelerator early and slow gradually. Apply the brake gently to stay within the regenerative range, typically around 3/4 of the charge gauge. Pressing too hard engages hydraulic brakes, which do not recharge the battery and waste energy. Controlled braking lets the car slow smoothly while maximizing battery charge for the next electric mode takeoff. At very low speeds, hydraulic brakes are needed to stop completely, which can be felt as a change in braking response. With practice, it's easy to recognize the difference and stay in the regenerative range longer. Combining coasting with controlled regenerative braking creates a continuous cycle of energy recovery, where a significant portion of fuel savings comes from in a Toyota Hybrid. Beyond driving technique, other factors also affect fuel efficiency, especially in challenging conditions. Cold weather has a major impact on a Toyota Hybrid. In winter, the engine takes longer to reach operating temperature, running more often and limiting electric-only driving. A common mistake is turning the heater on full immediately after starting the car. When the engine is cold, little heat is available, and the system pulls away what warmth there is, slowing the warm-up. A better approach is to start driving with the heater off, then use it once the engine warms up. Even after warming, setting the cabin temperature too high increases engine runtime. Keeping heat moderate lets the engine stay off longer and improves efficiency. Vehicles with automatic climate control work best when set to auto, managing airflow and temperature without unnecessary engine strain. Vehicle weight is another key factor. Heavier cars require more energy to move, particularly in city driving with frequent stops and starts. Extra items in the vehicle add weight, so removing unnecessary cargo improves efficiency, making coasting and pulse and glide more effective. By managing climate, minimizing weight, and creating favorable conditions, the hybrid system can operate at its highest efficiency, maximizing fuel economy. In addition to driving habits and conditions, the mechanical state of the vehicle also plays a major role in fuel efficiency. Tires are especially important. Most Toyota hybrids come with low rolling resistance tires designed to improve fuel economy. Replacing them without proper research can reduce efficiency, even if it's not immediately obvious. Maintaining correct tire pressure is just as critical. Underinflated tires increase resistance, forcing the car to use more energy and fuel. Keeping pressure slightly above the recommended level within a safe range helps reduce resistance and improve efficiency. Regular checks can make a noticeable difference over time. The braking system is another often overlooked factor. If brakes are sticking or not operating smoothly, they create constant resistance. This makes the car slow down faster when coasting and requires more energy to keep it moving, reducing overall efficiency. Keeping the brakes well maintained and free-moving eliminates this issue. Regular inspection is especially important in areas where corrosion is common. When proper driving habits, good conditions, and solid maintenance come together, the results are clear. Toyota hybrids are already efficient, but with the right approach, that efficiency can be pushed even further. The focus is not speed, but efficiency. Smooth, controlled driving and attention to how energy is used and recovered allow the system to perform at its best. With fuel costs remaining high, these small adjustments add up over time, helping you get the best possible gas mileage.